If you want to make money online in 2022, then let me show you how I earned $386 with Leadsleap. Hello there, Amar here, and if you are already making money online or you are just starting out, then you can add Leadsleap to your monthly income streams. As you can see here on my Leadsleap dashboard, you can see that I made $386 and I just actually made a withdrawal request of $42.99. So I just received an email of confirmation. Let me show you. You just made a withdrawal at Leadsleap, and here is the amount of $43.87 coming to my PayPal account. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and also support it with a like or a comment in the comment section. It will be very appreciated. Now, there are multiple ways that you can earn money with Leadsleap. You can find them all under this tab here at the left hand side saying money. So you have the daily active bonus, credit enhancement, PPC earnings, and the affiliate commissions, which is the biggest one. Most of the commissions, most of the earnings will be coming from affiliate commissions, because free members on Leadsleap can earn 25% affiliate commission, and that's monthly commissions, and pro members can earn 50% commission, monthly commission. So stick to the end of this video and I will give you this done for you affiliate funnel that will help you make money with Leadsleap. It will help you actually refer other people to Leadsleap, as well as other recurring income programs that you will discover later. The good thing about Leadsleap is that when you do the job once, you keep getting paid for that job. So you refer someone to be a pro member on Leadsleap, they will love it, they will use it because of all the value it delivers. You will be paid for that month after month after month. So this is like a recurring passive income. And by the way, pro members on Leadsleap, they have access to unlimited landing pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited autoresponders with unlimited contacts, 50% affiliate commission, and that's a recurring income, and also very good quality targeted traffic without clicking on other people's ads. So Leadsleap will give you all the professional tools that you need to be a successful affiliate marketer. And now, as I told you earlier, you will have access actually to a done for you funnel, which we will get access to the same landing page here, and then you will deliver a training on the thank you page where you can refer pro members or members to Leadsleap, because this will be your affiliate link, and also for other programs below. So once you become a Leadsleap member, you will be able to import these pages, these funnels very easily and instantly actually, and you will learn how to use the system with these training videos here. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also like the video and give me a comment in the comment section. It will be very appreciated. And also all the links I spoke about are in the description below.